Hey there, future tech experts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of blockchain technology. I know blockchain technology is a bit complex, but don't worry, we'll keep it super simple for you to understand. Imagine a digital ledger, like a fancy digital notebook that records everything. This ledger is called a blockchain. Now let's break it down into bite-sized pieces. First, we have blocks. These are like pages in our digital notebook. Each block contains information about transactions, any transaction about buying something. When someone sends or receives something, like money, on the blockchain, it gets written into a block. But here's the cool part. Blocks are linked together in a chain. Think of it like a string of colorful beads. This makes it super secure. Once a block is full, it's sealed and linked to the previous one, forming a chain. That's why it's called blockchain. Now let's talk about the most important thing, decentralization. Unlike a regular notebook controlled by one person, blockchain is stored on thousands of computers all over the world. No single person or company can control it. So why is blockchain technology so awesome? Because it's super secure and trustworthy. Once a transaction is in a block and added to the chain, it's almost impossible to change. This makes it perfect for things like online voting, protecting your data, and even digital art. Now let us look at real-world uses. Blockchain isn't just for money. It can be used for tons of things, like tracking the food you eat, proving the authenticity of designer clothes, or rewarding people for good deeds. And remember, it's all done transparently and securely. So, to sum it up, blockchain is like a super secure digital notebook made up of blocks that store transaction information. It's decentralized, so no one can control it, and it's used for all sorts of important stuff. So, now you know what blockchain technology is and how it works.